bad news early, quick, boom, right to the beginning of the call. I hate it when people tiptoe around bad news. How's your day going? How's things going with you guys? How's the project? Hey, the reason for my call is that delivery that we had scheduled in Omaha that's not going to go off, right? Hello. Hey, Larry, thanks for taking my call. Reason for my call, the delivery in Omaha, it's not going to go off, right? I'm on top of it. I wanted to make you sure you're aware of it, and here's the plan to mitigate that. It's, of course, not optimal. We're not going to say it's not our fault. Larry, I'm going to own it, okay? I own it on my end. I'm going to do everything in my power to help this. So bad news early. The other thing, if it really was your fault, and we've talked about this on other calls, the words that's going to help, and I'm not saying Larry's not going to be pissed off at you, but he's going to be more likely to come to your rescue, is start with these two words. Larry, the reason why I'm reaching out to you, I'm embarrassed. Larry, I'm embarrassed, right? Say, I'm embarrassed. The person will be like, what's up? Screwed up on that Omaha shipment, right? And I own it, and frankly, I'm embarrassed on this one. Hey, it happens to the best of us. But if you go, hey, it's not my fault, we got a driver's thing, and the state of Nebraska put a new chain law in that nobody told us about, then this storm came out of nowhere, it's much better to just go, I'm embarrassed. Dude, it's not your fault, Matt. You didn't know about the freaking storm. Like, they'll come to your rescue a lot more if you say, I'm embarrassed. So bad news, give it early, and when it's real bad and it's pointed right at you, I'm embarrassed. Most people don't have the guts to say that, yet they are embarrassed. Be honest about it.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.